Hi, good evening everyone. Today we will be starting with the sixth video of Lightning Web Component. In the last 5 videos we have started with the basics and ended with the event handling and also created a mini calculator where we have done the addition and subtraction using the events. So now what we will be doing, we will be understanding what are getter properties in LWC. It helps us in order to make our code reusable and clean. So let's see how we will be doing it. In JavaScript, getter are a special type of property that look like a variable but act like a function. So let's take an example. You visit a ATM machine in order to withdraw your money. You just click withdraw button. So that method, that function that you are clicking is, you are clicking a withdraw in order to withdraw your money. But at the backend, it is a get withdraw method that is giving you withdrawal of your money. So our syntax will be in JavaScript, we will be writing get withdraw and then bracket start and then bracket close, whereas it will be acting as variable in Java in the HTML part where we will be only keeping the withdraw in the curly braces. So let's see how we will be doing it. So let's start with the demo for the getter property. Here in this example, we will be taking a first name and last name and we will be concatenating that using a getter method. So let's see how we will be doing it. So first of all, here we will be starting with the HTML. So lightning hyphen card title is equal to getter property getter prop, and let's close this out. After creating lightning card, next thing that we will be doing here is we will not be using template if true, that is conditional rendering. We will be just taking paragraph 1 is equal to first name colon f name. Let's take a variable as f name and let's take another paragraph last name equal to L name, and further I will be taking full name. Just I will be adding the description that this is via getter. Okay, let's save this out. After saving this, what we will be doing, we will be going here, and after going I will be taking f name is equal to Khushbu and L name my bad is equal to Sachdeva my bad. Why it is giving me auto code? I don't want it, and I will be using this method, that is get full name, and this will return me this dot f name plus this dot l name. So it is giving me suggestion, so let's pick this out. So get full name will just give me this. So in the meanwhile I will also do the is exposed is equal to true, as I haven't done it before, and targets is equal to, so let's give the target as well. So let's give lightning homepage. So let's deploy this out. So the component has been successfully deployed and we are able to see the component name here, that is get prop. So I will be just dragging and dropping this. So you will be seeing here that full name is coming as a variable. So we are using full name as a variable, and if I talk about JavaScript, we are giving a definition where we are concatenating first name and last name with the space. So this is the basic example of getter. So now we have created a basic example. Now we will be using a conditional logic in order to play around with the getter and setter. So example is, if the amount is greater than 100, we will be sending a message that you are eligible for more discount, and if it is else, if it is less than 100, then we will be adding you need to complete rupees 100 order in order to achieve the discount threshold. So let's start with the same. So what I will be taking, I will be deleting this and further I will be taking two variables. One is message, another is variable, that is cart value. So discount calculator, so let's give it discount notification. So I hope I have missed the double inverted commas here. So after doing this, first step, what I will be taking, I will be taking paragraph, that is cart value, and second we will be taking another paragraph, and here what we will be doing, we will be taking a message. Once we are done with this, we will be using message as a get message variable and cart value as a value. So first let's pick the cart value and let's give the cart value directly as, so let's delete everything. So cart value, let's paste it, it is better to paste, is equal to 120, and let's add semicolon. First thing that we will be doing here is that is get, what is the method name that we, get message, and after giving message, so it has given me the prop, that is return if this dot cart value greater than 100, greater than or equal to 100, greater than or equal, yes, if equal to 100, then first thing that get, if you want to achieve 20% discount, then make order of 500, and in the else part we will be adding in order to get 10% discount, please make bill value above 100. So let's save this out, and I think we are done with this. So let's save, and now let's deploy this out. Since we are working on the same component, so we don't have to worry about how the things will be looking, because we are using the same component. So let's refresh this out for twice. I think it will take 2 times in order to get refresh. Yes, if you want to achieve 20% discount, then make the value of equal to 500. So let's make it 100 for now. Let's make it 80, since the it is 80, so it should be 80. So now let's deploy this out. So as soon as I deploy this out, now if I refresh my component, so you will be seeing that I think it hasn't got refreshed. So if you want to get 10% discount, please make a bill value above 100. So you are seeing here we are using a conditional logic in order to use the getter properties. So now we have understood how we can use the conditional logic with getters. So now it is a time to go one step further and see how getters can help iteration in order to make the code format. So here in the case, we will be taking a fruits, and based upon that fruits, we will be making that fruit value into the uppercase using the getter method. So let's start with the code first. So what I will be doing, I will be just first deleting the code that we have created for now. So what I will be taking, instead of discount notification, fruits in uppercase, so I will be giving a description. So what I will be taking, template for each, that is not, yes, let's give the same example, and we will making a tweaks now. So let's go here. So what I will be taking here, upper case fruits. So this will be acting as my getter, and here for item I will be taking a fruit. So rest part will be same. I will be just deleting the message part. So I hope everyone is clear with the concept till now what we are doing. So now we will be going on to our JS part. So let's first take a array here. So let's first delete everything that we have written in the earlier part. Let's take a fruits, fruits is equal to, I will be taking, but yeah, it has given me the solution. So let's save this out. So once we are done with the saving of this, then we will be just copying the method name, that is upper fruit case, and further what I will be using, get upper fruit case and further. So it has provided me a suggestion. So we in JavaScript we have one map method that helped me in order to return the same value in the array with the new items that I want to do. So I will be also appending my JavaScript video where I have referred the array, so you can refer this video in the pin comment as well. So here I am just changing my fruits into my uppercase. So you are taking, this is acting as an array, and further it is getting converted into the uppercase. So let's save this out and let's deploy our component. Yes, LWC is so much simple. I know that. So after doing this, once it got deployed, so you will be seeing here now the fruits will be coming in the uppercase, that is coming in that we have put in the smaller case. So apple, banana, orange. If I want to make it to a lower case, so in the lower case, what I will be doing, so just allow me a minute. So where is the Visual Studio Code? To lowercase, so what we will be doing to lower case. So as soon as I do it in the lowercase, you will be seeing it in the lowercase. Yes, we have provided it in the camel case where A is capital and banana is small. So if you go in here now, so you will be seeing that they all are in smaller case. So let me refresh this. So apple, banana, orange, all is in smaller case. You might be thinking now where we can use the getter properties. Trisha has told us that we can use the conditional formatting. Like this, we can format a created date, because if you see the created date, so the created date comes in the date time format. So if you only want to pick a date, you can use a getters properties. Or if you want to calculate anything, for example, you are creating a result. Today my son has a leave, his school is off due to the result preparation. So if they were using Salesforce, my boy should have gone to the school today. So in order to do the sum of all subjects, we can use a field, so that a getter field will calculate all the subject and calculate the average and give the percentage as well. So this complete our video number 6. In the next video, we will be starting with the life cycle hooks, and I hope you are enjoying my content. If you are enjoying my content, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more such notification. Thank you. Have a nice day.